Come test drive this 2010 Nissan Murano. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 250 horsepower. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. All-wheel drive maintains traction at all 4 corners. Nissan infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as a trip computer, an outside temperature display, front fog lights, remote keyless entry, rear wipers, and much more. Nissan ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. A Carfax history report indicates just 1 previous owner. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.